Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In today's video, we will discuss how to copy a Python list. It's a short tutorial, so let's start. Copying a dictionary, Python dictionary is not that simple. We cannot copy by typing dictionary 2 is equal to dictionary 1 because in this way dictionary 2 will only be a reference to dictionary 1 and changes which we will made in dictionary 1 will automatically also be made in dictionary 2. So we can copy a dictionary by using a function of copy parenthesis. So let's see an example. So here is we have a dictionary, brand, model, year, and we want to copy this. So we will write a new dictionary. My dictionary is equal to this dictionary, which is this one. And last next we will write the function copy function and then print my dictionary. So we will get the copied version of dictionary in output. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.